tomb of Saint Riginos in Fasoula. Adjacent to the tomb is a chapel built in 1935. The chapel of Saint Riginos and Orestis stands on the north end of the village, and there was some controversy in 1882 when the British cartographer Kitchener asked that a giant fig tree should be cut down. The villagers and church authorities refused. According to tradition, Saint Riginos and Orestis visited the island to introduce Christianity to the Cypriots. The authorities of the island arrested the two saints, and after torturing them, they beheaded them on 362 AD. Christians who were present at this martyrdom secretly collected the holy relics and buried them in the island. Saint Riginos' tomb is in Fasoula, next to the Saint Riginos and Orestis chapel. His grave's exact location was revealed to a priest when the saint appeared to him through a dream. What is important to note is the fact that the place where the Christians decided to bury the saint was probably a Lord's tomb. This is concluded by paintings which can be distinguished even today on the tomb. One of them depicts a hunter in the woods. According to Riginous, this sarcophagus definitely belonged to the 5th century. Riginous considered the tomb as belonging to Archbishop Riginous and not Saint Riginos. The saint's relics are connected to a series of miracles. His tomb is under the auspices of the Department of Antiquities. According to oral tradition, the saint had protected the village when it was in danger. This is why he is the patron saint of the village of Fasoula. His holy relics were transferred to the monastery of St. Prodromos in Skopelos, although some of them remain in Nicosia at the church of Archangel Michael the Holemaker. Every year on the 20th of August, there is celebration of Saint Riginos. The greatest feast takes place in Fasoula at the chapel's precinct. The rest of the year, the chapel celebrates only baptisms.
The tomb of Saint Riginos is the 5th stop on the tomb's heritage trail. Your next stop is the holy relics of Apostle Philip. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.